there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I've been wanting braids for a while because I am 9 months pregnant, you guys, and I need to keep my hair done. I don't like it just looking like anything. So I've been wanting some braids for a while, but I just haven't had the time or energy to go and get it done. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go to the beauty supply store, buy my own hair, and try to braid myself. So I went into the beauty supply store to get the hair, but I looked on the mannequin and I saw this beautiful hairstyle and I was like, oh my gosh. So I looked at it and I examined it and I was like, okay, I like this. So I asked the lady there, I was like, show me where the hair is and everything, how many packs should I get and all that. So I looked it up on Google and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I like this style. So this is the crochet curl wand hair, and this is from Freetress Equal. So this is the Freetress Braid 2X wand curl braid collection, and the style is the Ringlet wand curl, and this is in the color 1. I asked for 1B and they only had 1 pack left and I needed about 3. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just get 1 and call it a day. So as you can see, I've already installed it for the most part, and so far I am liking it. Just like how curly it is, and of course I'm going to cut it and try to style it, make my own. Also, I did the knotless crochet, so it's pretty much instead of sticking both through, you stick only one. Instead of putting both parts through the loop, you put one and you tie it tight, and it actually looks, more natural looking and all of that. You're more than welcome to braid however you want to, as long as you're able to get it in there and tighten it and everything. But I just did what worked for my hair, and so far so good. So I have these 2 rows here left. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and if you guys are interested, or you want to know how to do the knotless, or you just want to know how to crochet, or you just want to see how it's going to look after it's done, then stay tuned. So without any further ado, let's get it. So the hair comes with 2 parts, so as you can see it's separated. Let me see. Yeah, ooh, got a good amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19, about 20. I probably skipped 1, so probably about 20, depending on the size of your head, or the size of your braids, or how many braids you decide to get. Just get that according, because I felt like 4, because the lady told me 4, but I felt like 4 was going to be too many packs. So I was like, okay, let me just start with 3. So if you guys have seen my previous crochet video, then I cannot use that little crochet pin. I don't know, something just gets tangled in my hair for some reason. I guess I just don't lock it right, I don't know. So I like to use a bobby pin. as you guys saw, I had a middle part, but in this case I want to flip it over. I want to have like a flip. So if you do want like to have a middle part, you know, make sure you put a middle part and you'll be able to, like, you know, flip it back down here and have a middle part. But in this case I put the crochets in so that way I can have like a little flip, and that way I can, you know, it's versatile, and anytime I want to have it on this side I can, or if I want to have a middle part I can. So I'm going to go ahead and finish installing them. Go ahead and finish installing this row here, and then I shall be done.